B-Mobile, Jerry speaking. How may I help you?
Hello, I lost my mobile.
Where?
If I knew where, it wouldn't be lost, now would it?
Right. But I can see here that your insurance doesn't cover lost devices.
What? So what does it cover?
Everything but lost devices.
I knew it! I knew it! This damn insurance doesn't cover a thing! I knew I should have taken the C-Mobile offer!
But I think I have a solution for you.
If it's not a free new phone, don't even start!
I see your premium plan is going to expire in 3 weeks. So maybe you can renew it with a better insurance plan and get a better smartphone for only $20 a month!
Are you upselling me?
No, sir.
I want to speak with your manager.
But, sir...
Hey, I know you have this nice real-time speech analytics. Do you want me to say some magic words?
Yeah? Like what?
Like, I am disappointed with your company. A-Mobile, C-Mobile, D-Mobile, G-Mobile, or another mobile competitor's names. Is it enough? Or should I use the, I am going to leave your company?
No. Hello, this is Mike, the customer service manager here. How can I help you?
Hey, Mike, it's Ben.
Oh, Ben. I thought it was a customer.
Yeah, I couldn't remember your extension, so I used the nice real-time speech analytics.
Oh, nice.